before the kids wake up and before I start making any breakfast, I must admit I have to have my cup of coffee first. And look at this adorable mug. I got it from my bestie and I am so excited to use it. So I'm gonna make myself a cup of coffee. This is my little coffee station, nothing too crazy, very basic. I still have my Keurig machine from like 4 years ago, but it still works, it does the job, and as long as I have my first cup of coffee in the morning, I'm good. It smells so good. This is all I need in the morning.
But you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you.
One place I do want to go is either Marshall's or TJ Maxx because I had a little set of pumpkins on that little table just like that one, and it broke a couple days ago. My son was playing, he was playing a little rough and bumped into the table and it shattered everywhere, so now I'm missing one and I was devastated because I really loved how it looked. Hopefully there will be one just like that. Look who's there, bright and early every single morning. That's my cat, Chanel. She always comes here because I have a window and she loves to look out the window bright and early. Such a good girl. So sweet. I'm gonna get some shoes. I think I'm gonna wear some boots. So here is my outfit for today. I went with something very simple. It is very chilly out, very windy, and it's actually colder than I expected, so I did layer up because I don't want to be cold. So I do have my turtleneck under, and then I have this plaid shirt with ruffles on the side. I've actually had this for like 3 years and I love it so much. I only wear it during this season, and I have some jeans and then my Chelsea boots. So anytime I add any other colors to my outfit, I always make sure to add a little pop of pink to my outfit, and in that case it was my pink purse. Hair and makeup took me less than 10 minutes today. I honestly did nothing to my hair. I washed it last night and I just let it air dry, and I didn't even bother styling it because I want to go on the hayride and I know it's gonna get really dusty and it's already very windy, so I just let it be. But I did do my makeup, and of course got my lashes on. I can't go out without my lashes. Just something very simple, very neutral, but bag. It'll look good. Yeah.
This one?
Let me see.
Yeah, that is.
Wait, let's see a corn. Guys, the weather is beautiful. Today's like the perfect day to go corn picking. Come on! There's so many leaves. I feel like I'm gonna fall. First time doing corn picking. It's a big hill. I'm gonna freeze. Look at these happen. I'm back and I am exhausted. We got back from the farm at around 4 p.m. and it's already starting to get super dark very early. It is 7 o'clock and it is pitch black outside. Unfortunately, I didn't have time to go to TJ Maxx or Marshall's to find the broken pumpkin that I need to replace. But I did come home and I had a couple PR packages, so I wanted to share them with you, and I will be using them tonight for my skincare routine. I'm so excited. So the first thing I have is this adorable lip mask. It's from Dr. Jart, and Dr. Jart and Skeepers were so kind enough to send this out to me. I was gifted by them and I am very, very excited. I have been into lip masks so much lately, and look how adorable this is. It's shaped like a teddy bear. So this here is a hydrating lip mask. It has hyaluronic acid and it says that it hydrates the lips, leaving them plump, soft, smooth with a fresh, healthy look. Definitely need that in my lips right now because they are super dry, especially with this cold weather. So I'm very excited. We'll be trying this out tonight before I go to bed. And then I also got another package. I'm so excited about this one. This is from the brand Belief. So pretty and blue inside. It says believe in truth, and let me tell you how excited I am about this box because it has some items that my skin is going to love. My skin right now is at its driest, like the driest that it has ever been in years. I usually have really, really dry skin, but the winter season is like atrocious for me. So there's a couple things in here that we will be trying tonight. This one here I'm very excited for. It's the Aqua Bomb Eye Gel. It visibly reduces the appearance of dark circles and eye bags. And it says that it helps cool and reduce puffiness around the eye area and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Formulated with Belief Original Formula, caffeine, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and vitamin C. It says this eye gel provides deep hydration with a cooling sensation felt through the ceramic tip applicator for a glowing eye look. That is awesome. So it does have a ceramic tip. That is really cool. So it looks like this. Ooh, fancy. This is so nice. And the ceramic tip is nice and cooling. OMG. This is going to feel incredible under my eyes. Like, I'm so excited for this. This is perfect for today because I am exhausted. And there is also a cream. This one here is the True Cream Aqua Bomb by Belief. It says skin hydration level instantly increased by 231.4%. Okay, my skin already loves you. It has hydration, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and combo to oily skin. So if you have combo to oily skin, you can use this. I do have combo to dry skin, very, very dry. So this will be perfect. Let's see what this looks like. It looks like this. And Oh, this is so nice. It's light blue. It's like aqua. So it's more like a water cream. I'm very excited. So we'll be trying those out tonight. And then there's something else in here. Oh, how cute. It's like a mesh bag. Perfect for the bath. You can just put this in your bathroom and have all your essentials in there. So I'm very excited. Thank you so much, Believe, for sending this out to me. I am incredibly thankful, and so is my skin. So let's go ahead and try these out and get ready for bed.